only one life. On the beach of an island in a calm ocean, the waves of the ocean reach the shore of the island. The whole place around there looks very pleasant. With the sounds of the chirping of birds, the earth feels like heaven. At some distance from the seashore, a girl is sleeping under the shade of a tree with some leaves as a mattress. At dawn, the sun's rays fall on the face from the middle of the leaves of that tree, and when the sleep is disturbed, there is no one to get up and look around. Enjoying the beauty of nature there, she enjoys taking pictures of the surroundings with the camera around her neck. As there was no one around, he felt himself to be the only man in the world. Oh! I am the one and only happiest human in this world. This world belongs to me. You're everything for me, thank you God. Saying that, the whole beach is spinning comfortably. She eats the fruits from the trees there, catches fish from the sea, gathers dried twigs and branches from the trees, does not take to stones placed in the sun, makes a fire, sticks dry leaves to the fire, puts dry tree branches on them and burns the fish and eats them. Enjoying the sea waves, and after some time falls asleep gently. The next morning she wakes up and looks around, but no one is there. Like the day before, today also picks leaves and dry tree branches. But there is no happiness on the face. She takes the ripe fruits from the trees and eats half of them, and throws the rest aside. Catching fish in the sea, making fire with stones. After burning them, it eats half of the fish and gives it to the ants that come by. Sad that no one is near her, she plays with those ants. Sad that she was left alone, looking at the curve of the waves, she fell asleep with tears in her eyes and a heart full of sadness. The next morning she gets up in pain and looks around. She goes to the ripe fruit trees with a painful anger and plucks the fruits. She sings songs to herself, even if she catches fish and brings them and roasts them, she keeps them aside without eating them, unable to bear the loneliness, sadly, looking at the sky. In a deeply sad voice, I am looking for someone. I don't like loneliness. I want someone for whispering. Otherwise, please take me away. Away. Saying that, she gently lies down on one side and falls asleep thinking about something. Going to bed without eating, wakes up in the middle of the night. Having never woken up in the middle of the night before, she was afraid of the darkness for the first time. Bewildered, she screams loudly and runs to a place to hide. Next morning when the sun rays fall, she is not found where she was so far. The girl is found dead in a valley. Loneliness can feel very freeing at first, but it seeks death in the long run.